Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of switching between Celsius and Fahrenheit in the Yahoo Weather app on your smartphone. Whether you're traveling or simply prefer a different unit, this quick adjustment ensures the weather information suits your needs. First, open the Yahoo Weather app on your phone. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left. Then, select Settings from the menu options. After that, look for the Units section within the settings. Finally, choose your preferred temperature unit, Celsius or Fahrenheit. The change takes effect immediately, and all temperature locations in the weather list view will adjust to the new weather format, whether it's Celsius or Fahrenheit. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.